Hello guys, this is your boy Advantage. In today's video I am going to show to us confirmation candles we need to have before we be able to take our trade. We've been doing our training all through the week, price action trading. We've done the part 1, part 2, part 3, and today is another brand new package for you. So if you've not watched this video, please do well to watch this video so that you can join us and flow as we move forward. So today I'm going to show to us confirmation candles we need to see after drawing our touches and our zones before you be able to take off a trade. Is that clear? With that being said, let us get to the screen. So guys, let's quickly look at our charts. Now we have USD CHF. Let's start with this USD CHF. So this is 4 hours time frame, and we've drawn our zones. So now we need to draw our touches. Okay, let's assume that you drew this one. You drew this one here. Let's draw it this way. Okay, let's assume you drew this one, and this is your number 1 touch, and this is your number 2 touch. Maybe it breaks, come back, and maybe your number 3 touch. Let's just assume you have drawn all your touches and you were expecting this candlestick to get to this point before you be able to take your trade. Then luckily or fortunately, so this candle now blew to your zones. Now look carefully. Let me zoom this candle a lot. So this is number 1 confirmation you need to see before you can take a trade. Listen carefully. This is one of it. So I'm going to give you 7 confirmations, but this is one. Now you look at 4 hours time frame. I told you we are going to do our analysis on 4 hours time frame and take our trade in 1 hour. Do you understand? Analysis 4 hours, taking off trade 1 hour. Now look at this number 1. This is a very good example of number 1. After you've seen a very huge and long momentum like this, green candle, all of a sudden you now see a very big candle that engulfs the previous one. So like this one now, like this one. So you saw that this candle was very strong from here. It was a very strong momentum, and all of a sudden it got to your number 3 touch, this zone where these 2 lines intersect, which you've drawn earlier, and you now saw this very long candle that engulfs this particular one. So this is a point where you will start looking for a position. Now what you do at this point where you see this, you see green, no red. This is a momentum. So number 1, you look for a strong momentum. Now all you need to do here is you draw this momentum, the length of the candlesticks, this particular one. So you drawn this one, so pull it like this and bring it down. All right, is that clear? Pull it the way you draw it and bring it down. Then change your time to 1 hour. Exactly. You change your time to 1 hour. So at this point, you take your trade from here to this point, 50 pips. Then you put your stop loss somewhere here, like 25 pips or 20 pips away from your entry level. To here, this is your 50 pips. Remember, this is 1 hour. You've changed to 1 hour. You close this. So this would have been your winning trade, 50 pips here. I told you I take 50 pips per trade and open 4 position. That's like 2. Example number 2. Assuming you draw your touch here, look at this. Look at this. This is your touch 1. This is your touch 2, and this is your touch 3 at this zone. And when you saw this momentum, 1, 2, 3 red candle with this long rejection coming from this zone. This is your third touch. Remember, 1, 2, 3. Watch our previous videos. Now you now saw this long green candle that engulfs the whole of this candle. All you need to do is draw this one, draw this particular one, the size of this, take the size of this candle, look at it. Yeah, so this is the size of this candle. Pick it up, the size of this candle. Okay, great. So pick it up, then take it up. Okay, take it up. It should be 50 pips. I know this it should be 50 pips movement. Sorry, let me draw this one as crossed. So it should be 50 pips movement. So you just draw it. Great, because I know this one gets to 100, but if I'm the one, so I'm going to draw 50 and end it somewhere here. Now this is 4 hours. Bring back your candle to 1 hour. Did you see what has happened? Can you see it very clear now? So all you need to do at this point, this is where you would have taken your trade. So at this point, you take your trade from this point, you draw your 50 pips, and then 25 pips below, 25 pips below. So is that clear? So this is just for learning purpose. So you now delete this one. So you see that it was a pure winning trade. So if you take it back to 4 hours, you look at it. Did you see what happened? So that is example number. Okay guys, example number 3. Let's assume you've drawn your touches here. Look at this. Let's assume you've taken your touch to be here. This is 1. This is your touch 1. This is your touch 2, intersecting. This is your touch 3. Now you saw this momentum 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 hours time frame. Remember, you saw this momentum. Let me zoom it a little. You saw this momentum 1, 2, 3, 4. All of a sudden, you now see this red candle that engulfs the first green candle. So this is, and it's happening at your zone, at your entry point, where the two lines, your touch line and the zone intersect. It happens at this point. Very good. This is a very good one. So all you need to do now is take the length of this one, the size of this candle, just draw it at 4 hours. Remember, just draw it. All right, great. This is the size of this candle. Just carry it the way it is and place it under. If it is red, you know we are selling because it's red that engulfs. So this is the length of this candle, which you can extend it. I told you I go by 50 pips, so I can take it down to 50 pips. Now go back to 1 hour. Let's shrink it. Okay, when you get to 1 hour, you can see what really happened here. It falls from here down to this level. So you take your stuff from here and take 50 pips and 25 pips away. You see that you would have been in a very big profit. All right, so when you get to 4 hours again, you see how clear it is. Hello guys, I hope you enjoyed the content of this video. Please do well to subscribe and share. In case you have any question, please do well to drop your comment on the comment section below. Do well to send us an email where you find very difficult to cope. We're going to get back to you and make sure you are successful trading and making money online. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next one.